Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to analyze a stock chart in Colombo stock market. It is not a big rocket science. It is very easy method I'm using. You can learn here very quickly how to analyze a particular stock price chart. Let me go through one of stocks here. We'll take Access Engineering, and first I'll delete all the drawing I have done earlier. Okay, this is the chart, right? So let's go to day chart. Unfortunately, in Colombo stock market, you can't find high liquidity shares. Very rare you can find a high liquidity shares. Actually, as a whole, our market is very small market compared to world markets. We have very small market capitalization, and we have limited shares and also limited participants, means traders. So it is a kind of illiquid markets. But even though it is illiquid, there are a lot of opportunities. If I take this day chart of Access Engineering stock, you can see there are a lot of price actions during a particular time period. So first, if you are selecting a stock, you want to have a full view of that stock. How do you get the full view or full understanding or full conscious mind about a particular stock? That is very easy. What you want to do is you want to memorize. How do you memorize? You have to memorize in a format of pictures or format of price charts. So if you want to analyze a market, first you want to drill down from the bigger time frame. If I'm taking here, actually you can go to 1 month price chart, then you can analyze the chart. Once you finish it, then you can drill down to the weekly chart and analyze it. And once you finish that weekly chart, you can analyze day chart. Unfortunately, in Sri Lanka market, we can't. In Colombo Stock Exchange, you can't drill down to the 4 hours, 1 hours, or even some markets are there in the world you can go to 1 minute chart. Due to illiquidity in characteristic in Colombo Stock Exchange, I prefer to go drill down up to 1 day chart. So let's go to 1 month chart and look at try to analyze what is the big picture of this chart, Access Engineering PLC. So here you can see a clear actually I am using here wave trading, how to analyze the wave a particular stock behaves. Now there are 3 rules, 5 rules I am using. I will teach you what are these rules. First rule is draw the structure. How do you draw the structure? Let's take a trend line tool. We'll draw a trend line connecting all the lower points. So I'll make it more clear here. And then what you can do is you can identify patterns within this chart and draw trend lines, draw the structure. This is the basic structure. Within this structure, you may not see all the patterns. So whatever the patterns you see in your eyes, you want to draw, and then drill down to further low time frame. Now I have done it 1 month chart. Let's drill down it to 1 week chart. Let's see how it will be appear in 1 week chart. In 1 week chart, you can see now it is more clear than the 1 month chart. Now we know this price is at the moment ranging between a particular pattern. We can say a symmetrical triangle. Here I will show you. Here it is behaving within this pattern. So price is moving within that pattern, right? So you want to find what are the patterns within that time, within that particular symmetrical triangle you can find. So I will show you what are the patterns you can find through this small time frame or that 1 week time frame. Earlier we analyzed 1 month chart, now it is 1 week. Let's see, there is a trend line here, right? A particular channel, we can say at a particular channel, it was running within a particular channel, right? Then you can see here also small flag. It is a flag, is a kind of continuation pattern, right? But what I mean as a continuation, it will go up. It has gone up, then it is corrected here, price corrected here within a channel, a small channel, we call it flag. It's like a flag, simple flag. Then this continues this previous trend. So we know now if there is a flag like this, the price has moved certain level, anytime it can continue the previous price action. What is the previous price action? It is a upside aggressive move. Now I'll try to draw some further patterns within this channel. Here again you can see another pattern, a kind of a flag or pennant. Here also again what happened, continuous here, flag here, continuous here, again a flag, and again continue the price, right? So what happened after that? It has came to a future reversal point. You can see this within this particular pattern I draw here, this particular channel I draw, the price behave in certain time in a kind of a same way. Here you can see if you hit this place, it went down. If you hit this place, went up. If you hit this place, again went down. Hit this place, went up. Hit this place, went down. Again hit this place, went down. Now we are in a particular area where it can anytime reverse, but we don't know when it is. What we can do is you want to find a better place to take this trade. Are we going to buy this now? We'll see. Here how do we take this draw this trend line? We connected previous two places, previous lower price two places, right? At least for this drawing a trend line you need at least two places. And here you can see we draw it has touched actually 4 places. What you can do is you can draw another trend line here, which is a downtrend, and it is a kind of a channel again. It is a channel where price can be reversed at any time. How do you find the reversal point of this particular channel is your job. Let me draw before that how to show you find the reversal point. There are few patterns you can see here. These are very nice patterns and repetitive patterns. You can see in the price itself repeat these patterns several times in past. Now if you go here, this channel, this particular triangle kind of a channel, the price is behaving. So how do we find the reversal point, or at least how do you grab it? It is kind of a tedious task where you want to train your eyes. You can find a kind of a reversal signal like this. You can see there is a big candle which is abnormal compared to the previous. Here if you, it is also a big move. Here if you see these prices compared to these prices, this is somewhat big. Let me check a few places in previous. Sorry. Here you can see compared to, actually here you can see a big reversal sign, right? And then a big price action. Here compared to these small candles, this candle is somewhat abnormal. We call it what? Here for example, here compared to these candles, this candle somewhat abnormal, this candle somewhat abnormal, right? This candle somewhat abnormal. So by looking at those candles and price behaviors on candlestick patterns on those areas, you can enter the trade. That is the first step. But still you can't enter by just looking at a candle or a movement of a candle. What you want to do is basically I am using 3 indicators. These indicators are giving, I will teach you how to use these indicators in future. You can use actually up to at least 4 indicators, but I am using 3 indicators which I am comfortable with. If you are going more than 4 indicators, it is confused you don't know where to take the trade. For example, if you look at this indicator, I am using stochastic RSI and MACD. These are the 3 indicators I am using. At the time beam, you can see this is in oversold area. This indicator also in oversold area. MACD, I will tell you, it is it's kind of a um, magical tool, I can say, because it is giving you the exact time you want to enter the trade. That is somewhat you need your experience. I will teach you in future lessons how to use MACD as well as other indicators. For example, stochastic is leading indicator, which means that it is giving the signal before anyone else. For example, if you can see here, it has gone to the oversold area before RSI, right? RSI when it was already here, but RSI is here. But if you take MACD, actually this is a very I can say very first leading indicator, and this is also leading indicator, RSI, relative strength of index, and MACD is a lagging indicator. So it has given the signal, a reversal signal, after all these two leading indicators have given the signal. Then what I am doing, first I am looking at the patterns. First number one is you have to draw the structure. Once you draw the structure, then you have to look at the patterns within that particular stock. If you can't find patterns in higher degrees, because we are drawing this structure on top of the bigger time frame, at least 1 month chart, then we'll drill down to 1 week chart. You can drill further, even you can drill to 1 day chart and find out what are the patterns you can see within this. For example, if you go to 1 day chart, you can find this, right? Here you can see it is not here, and you can see there are a lot of patterns within here. Here is a flag, and for example here is kind of a triangle, and here is a continuation channel, and like that there are a lot of patterns here. Here is another continuation channel, likewise you can draw, and the very first thing you can label it there. As a beginner, you want to go to I will show you this finvid.com is a good site where you can find patterns and chart patterns and candlestick pattern. For example, if you want to see a particular pattern, see I want to see bullish engulfing pattern of the candlestick, and it has given you a particular video introduction and bullish engulfing pattern and lot of statistics regarding how it fails, how it's succeed, what is the percentage of succeed, and those information are here. If you go to chart patterns, it will show you a lot of chart patterns. For example, triangle. If I go to triangle, it will show you what are the basic things you want to know about a triangle, and how it fails, how it's succeed, and what is the percentage of succeed. Those information are in this site. Make sure to get a note of this site, finvids.com. and if I'm going and drilling down to the lesson again, so once you find a particular pattern, there are reversal patterns. You have to find the reversal pattern that you have to find, and you have to train your eyes as well as your skills to find out reversal patterns. Once you find the reversal pattern in particular area where a reversal area, here this line is a reversal point. Why I am telling it is a reversal point? Because it has proven us several times the price has reversed when it is nearby this channel of a trend line. So we are expecting price can be reverse this particular area, but we don't know when it will be happen. For that you need to find signals from indicators. These indicators I will teach you how to use in future. So once the indicators, all indicators giving the same signal and the chart itself giving that the signal is ready to reverse, then what you can do is you have to drill down. For example, if you have already I am using 1 week chart to find out these things, since it is not much liquid CSC, and once you find the pattern, then you can drill down to 1 day lower time frame. After that, once you drill down to lower time frame, you can see what price is doing. For example, let's say if you are going here, see, yeah, this is, I will show you here. Yeah, this is continuation channel. What happened? Price has come down and stay sometimes here, again down. This is continuation pattern. So we know that it is nearby a reversal point. When price come to down aggressively, we have to wait till it comes to the reversal place. So once it reach into the reversal place, this is a reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern. Excuse me. Yeah, we'll drill down to 1 day chart. You can see in 1 day chart, let's see, now it has come to this particular place. We know this is a reversal place. So what you want to do is you want to look at the indicators and you want to look at the price action nearby this particular area, reversal area. So what it has happened here, it has come as a reversal. This is a reversal pattern. So it has come down like this. Then you can see what has happened. This is a kind of, we call names like that, reversal pattern, kind of a weak signal. So what happened in the next? Abnormal. You can see abnormal compared to these small candles. This is somewhat abnormal. Then again, these two is more abnormal compared to the other candles. And you can see once it has finished, again it is going within a correction. It is a continuation. It will continue. Again, continuation, continue. Like that, you can find the exact reversal point. So that is the skill you want to train. I will teach you these patterns and these techniques you can use in stocks charts and find out where the good opportunities, profitable opportunities are there. Meantime, what you can do is you can see all the charts in Columbus Stock Exchange. I think around more than 200 shares are there in Columbus Stock Exchange, and take each and every stock. For example, if you take Access, take 1 month chart and draw the structures like this, and take a screenshot of it. Here is the screenshot button. Actually, you can go to investing.com, which is free service, and you can select our Sri Lankan markets and draw chart in a good way, easy way than whatever the tool in our local brokers offering. Then you draw the 1 month chart, take a screenshot of it, and keep in a folder. Keep a particular folder, let's say CSE. Within that folder, Access, ACE, 1 month. Then go to 1 day. Take a screenshot, draw the patterns which you have not seen in 1 month chart, and take a screenshot. Keep it. 1 week. Then go to 1 day. Likewise, you can keep 3 charts of a one stock, right? This is where you can learn thoroughly how to analyze a particular chart technically. Once you finish that, you have to memorize. Now where is the price, whether it is near reversal point or whether it is near a trend, within a trend where you want to wait. For example, this one you can wait until come to a particular reversal point. Still it has not come to that level, right? So once you see the particular price action, then you can act according to that by using indicators, by help of indicators as well as candlestick patterns. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video. In future I will teach you in deep how to read indicators, how to thorough the patterns, what kind of patterns there are, reversal patterns, there are continuation patterns, a lot of patterns, and what are the resources you want to refer. At the moment I have given you finvids.com. You go there, find out what are the candlestick patterns and what are the chart patterns. According to those chart patterns, I forgot to tell you, once you analyze the chart, not like me, you have to write them. For example, you can go to call out and you can tell, let's say triangle. See, you have find a triangle. For example, let's say this is a triangle and you want to say what type of triangle it is, right? This is the triangle, let's say, and you have to say you want a symmetrical triangle or normal triangle. Like that you have to label them, then only you can learn without any issue. In future, you know, once you look at the particular chart, you can see what are the patterns are there, what kind of future wave you can accept. I will teach you those things in my next videos. For the time being, analyze all the charts, take particular stock, analyze the chart of that particular stock price section for 1 month, then drill down, take a screenshot, then for the 1 week, then for the 1 day, and keep all 3 in one fold. Then you can get an idea about a particular stock without blindly enter and made huge loss. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. We'll meet on next video, probably within 1 week. Bye bye.